Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage all permission sites on Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Google Chrome might get a new option soon that enables all users of the web browser to manage all custom site permission for visit website in the browser. Google landed a new experimental flag in Chrome Canary 70 recently that unlocks the new functionality while it's never clear if an experimental feature will land, be changed or removed before it can be land in stable. It is often the case that Google tests new features by locking them behind experimental flags in development versions of the browser. So what if you want to manage your permission sites on your Google Chrome? It's very simple. First of all, you have to open our Google Chrome. You can go to settings. You can select on the three dots over here. Scroll down and select on settings. And from here, you can go to privacy and security. From privacy and security, you can just go to site settings. From site settings, you can just scroll down. And in here, you can manage like your third-party cookies in here. And also if you want to manage your permission sites, you can select in here, view permission and data stored across site. So here's all sites that you use on your Google Chrome. You can see all in here. And you can also check the total storage used by site. If you want to delete, you can just choose on the sites that you want to remove. Maybe for the example, you want to remove this. You can just select in here. When you delete site and data permission from this site, you'll be signed out of this, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. You chosen permission will be removed. Yeah, again, just select on delete. So now you have removed that site from your permission sites on Google Chrome. And also before you delete the sites, you can check all the cookies. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage permission sites on your Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.